Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, it's Motivational Monday. We haven't had one of these in a while, but we have to talk about a few things. What have we been missing? Did you know 21% of the American population doesn't have any savings? That means zero in their bank account. How about this? 30% of the population works a second job, a hustle, a side hustle. And it's necessary to make ends meet. Start thinking about it. You could be one of them. All of us could be one of them. That's a lot of people when you're talking about 300 million Americans, about 185 million are working. And when you start taking 30%, that's 60 million people, 50 million people, 80 million people. We're going to talk about it. So please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so we get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Well, as I was discussing earlier, there's been a lot of things going on. I have new changes, and unfortunately I wasn't able to upload the latest video so I can keep you guys up to date, so it's going to have to come later this week. It's on my other phone, so that's why this may be a little blurry, because this is not the normal phone I use. But nevertheless, let's talk about this gig economy, part-time jobs, extra jobs, when 30% of the working population has to have a second job or a gig job or some sort of extra income, a side hustle, just to make ends meet. We have a problem, Houston. You guys have heard me talk about this. This is Stop Struggling Now. How many of you have an extra stream of income coming in? I just had one of my streams of income gone. So now, luckily, I have other streams of income. And this is what we're trying to do here. Because when SHIT hits the fan, where are you going to be sitting at? When things implode, when you can't borrow anymore, when you don't have a job potentially, or when your hours are reduced. Think about all this. We've been talking about this for a year. Plenty of time for preparation. So, the numbers keep coming in. And this is why I always give you the numbers. All these stats, they add up. So, this is why you always have to look at the videos when they come out, and there's ways of making extra income. Sometimes make you think about maybe something that you might come up with to earn extra income. Most people have to work 40 to 50 hours a week anyhow. Now you have to start thinking about what you're going to do with the extra 2 hours. Some of you are single family households. Some of you are dual family households, and you still can't make ends meet, especially when you know the numbers. When you know 60% of the population makes less than $40,000, come on, let's get real. This is Motivational Monday. Reach deep inside. You have everything at your disposal. This is 2019. You have all social media, and there's new platforms coming along. All you have to do is sign up for them. They're free. All you have to do is post something and say, hello, how you doing? Or post something of value. Maybe you want to learn something. Help people out. That's all you have to do. It doesn't take much, but you might as well get started, because automation is coming. Self-driving cars for all you Uber and Lyft drivers, it's coming. For everybody that manufactures and have a high-paying job, robots are coming. So it's just a matter of time when human beings are going to have to figure out a different way to get income. Those little side hustles they're talking about, they're going to have to earn more money than previously, because you're not going to be holding a job and doing a side hustle. So think about it. This is Motivational Monday. And as you know, I like to say Motivational Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, because we have to get after it. We can't be doing none of this slacking. This isn't your grandmother's US of A. This isn't your grandmother's economy. This is a global economy. I can order something in China, South America, Europe, Asia. Doesn't matter. And it's cheaper most of the time. And you want to know why? Because half of the people on the planet make less than $2.50 a day. So you wonder why companies are going outside of the USA to manufacture. Think about it. You wonder why there's a record of stores closing in America over the last 2 years, meaning all these people are out of a job, looking for that side hustle, looking for the extra income. So what are you doing? Watching the videos? Looking around? Hell, I looked around today. I put in the YouTube channel, said, hey, what about these new business opportunities? They're lacking. They're slim choices. So you might have to come up with your own little plan. So Motivational Monday, reach down deep inside and think about your future. You can't do a 5-year plan. You can't do a 10-year plan. You better do the immediate plan. So I have some things down below that I've been trying to share with people so that way you can make a little additional money, help people save money, which in turn, they save money, you make money. That works out very nice. But not everything works out that easily. So Motivational Monday. All I can do is tell you to start now. Even if you don't think you have the talent or the skills, you do. Just do it. When I started out, I didn't even think there would be 100 people that would be in what I had to say. But as you know, we are now approaching 1,900 subscribers. Thank you, everybody, for paying attention. Thank you, everybody, for being subscribers. Thank you for the love, the support. And we're going to continue. So now let's all win together. Because as it's turning out, we may all lose together. So stay tuned. And once again, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And keep your head up. Keep moving. And I'm out.